Hello everybody and welcome to Hawkeye FX with your host Marcus Toombs, and the date is the 11th of the 5th 2017. Okay, last night saw our first red news of the week, and that was the RBNZ interest rate from New Zealand, and it turned out to be quite a corker. The interest rate was expected to be held at 1.75, but the commentary that went along with the decision was very bearish, and it stated that accommodative policy will remain for a considerable period of time. This was a more dovish than expected tone from the central bank in comparison to the outside call for the bank to signal to tighten their bias. So let's have a look at market what happened. As you can see here, this is the 15-minute charts, and I've just measured on the 15-minute that first bar of the news here, and you can see the pound New Zealand, which is our biggest mover in terms of pips, jumped up 306 pips in that first 15 minutes. New Zealand Japan jumped 119 pips. Euro New Zealand, which is also a very big mover, jumped 254 pips. The Aussie New Zealand, which normally is a very small mover as they are so correlated, jumped 133 pips. The New Zealand CAD jumped 151 pips, and the New Zealand US, which is a very slow moving currency, jumped that's a very big 118 pips. Now you'll see since then the price hasn't retraced very much, and the weakness that was seen in the New Zealand dollar has stuck. Okay, let's put this in some perspective, and if we look at the weekly charts for all of the New Zealand pairs, you'll see that throughout 2016, 2017, the New Zealand was very strong, especially against the pound through Brexit, and strengthened against all of the currencies. Now, for the first part of this year, the New Zealand has been weakening as it's cut its interest rates, and others have started to raise their interest rates, and in the long term we can see this weakness continuing. Okay, just to note, the pound New Zealand has come up to the 1.9000 level, which is just here, and you can see we're bouncing off it now, so that's a level of resistance to watch. Okay, the second big red news event for the week is the pound inflation report and the interest rate decision, which is coming up very shortly, and then watch out on Friday for the US dollar interest rates.